Hi, my name is Ted with Legacy Brand Leather. Today I'm going to be crafting a leather watch strap. My wife Rachel asked me to craft a leather watch strap for her since the last one I made for her was a little bit too long and she also wanted a different color. So let's get to it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have a suggestion for things to craft for next week's video. Please be sure to like and subscribe and pass the torch. See you guys next week.